The IngramSpark codes that we've used for quite a period of time now, dead? And is there an opportunity to use any other way of being able to upload your books for free to IngramSpark? In this video, I'm going to be talking about if they are and a potential workaround for that. Hi, my name is Romney, and thank you for joining me, the Life Graduate Publishing Group YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the IngramSpark codes, or the discount codes that traditionally we've all had the opportunity of being able to utilize to upload our books rather than paying the $49 upload fee. And for me, it saved a significant amount of money to be able to upload my books so that I didn't have to pay that fee. And particularly with, if you're uploading 15, 20 books, then it can significantly add to the price of your book creation and then uploading it. And is there, potentially your book may not sell that much. So it is an extra cost, which we've been fortunate enough not to have to pay. However, there's been a lot of news out recently, more so on social media, about the fact that IngramSpark may not be providing those upload codes like they have been previously, where you might have used, Nano 21 or Self-Pub, those sorts of codes, which we've utilized in the past to upload our books. And because more recently there's a code that went out, and I have heard that it was pretty much used and abused, and a number of books that were being uploaded that were lower quality, because they were free to upload, inundated IngramSpark. And they've got their own policy in regards to the quality of books you can upload, and they've got an integrity unit that their role is to ensure that books don't get uploaded to IngramSpark where the quality, or you might be doing blank journals or line journals, things like that. They're a no-no. So what's the workaround? Is there a way we can still get our books onto IngramSpark without having to pay that $49 fee? Well, yes, there is, and I've been able to find one. And you may have heard of this group before, but it's the Alliance of Independent Authors, and the short abbreviation is ALI, or ALI. And they are a group, so they've got a subscription model which you can be part of. But before you sort of turn off and go, well, I'm not paying anything, you need to hear me out, because ALI, or ALI, have organized for 5 free uploads per month to IngramSpark as part of their annual subscription. So the subscription is around about $159, I believe it might be. That's for the middle tier. You can do a beginner level, which is about $100 or thereabouts US dollars. There's a middle tier for intermediate publishers that might have done a few books, and then there's more at advanced level, which is closer to $200. But if you do the calculations and the math on it, and I always talk about investing back into your business. If you want to scale your business, you really need to invest back into it. For me, it was a no-brainer spending. I've decided to go for the intermediate level. So for that $159 to get 5 free uploads per month, so you're looking at 60 uploads over the course of the year, and the 60 by $49, $50, it's around about $2,800 or $2,900. So if I'm paying $159, but I'm getting value of over $2,000 or $2,500 worth, that is an absolute no-brainer. And it's not just the only discount that they provide, as well as part of their membership. There's a number of different things, which I'm going to show you in a moment as I jump on my computer and I'll log in to Ally, and I'll show you how to actually get that IngramSpark code and utilize it. So you can either utilize it to upload your books, or use it's a personalized code for you that you can't share, but you can also do it to change any manuscripts and things like that as well. So let's just jump on board now to the dashboard and onto log on to the system, and I'll show you around. This is the ALI or ALI website, so it's allianceindependentauthors.org, and this is where you can register or log in and find out all about what they're about, and basically you do the annual subscription and find out about it. So let's have a quick look at becoming a member and benefits, for example. So on the website, you've got information about the different pricing structures. So here they are. So the associate, so you're pretty much a beginner in self-publishing, $129 per year. Then you've got perhaps you've got a few more books that you've published, and you like the intermediate side, which is $159, and then there's Authorpreneur, which is $199, and there's different things which you can obviously are applicable for them as well. And you can also have a look at the member benefit and what they might mean for you. So the Alliance of Independent Authors, there's different discount deals regarding printing, design, proofreading, all those sorts of things, contacts, magazines, resources, assistance with legal. So there's a lot of different things here. But what I'll do, I'm going to I'll log in and I'll show you where the IngramSpark discounts are located, should you happen to join. So on this, what you need to do, once you've logged in, you then go to an area that says discounts and deals. So it's just under approved services, discounts and deals, which brings you down to this bit. So they've got a lot of different opportunities to be able to check out the deals and discounts. For the IngramSpark, you'd go to production and you scroll down, and it would show you just here what you need to do. So you go to more details, you click on that, and that would bring up your special code. And it says here, free title setup, free revisions, limit 5 users per account per month. So that's where you would access that information there. And they've got a lot of other different things here as well. So there's courses and coaching, editorial design, marketing promotion. There's a lot of discounts and deals that you can go on to. So that is what you would need to do for the Alliance of Independent Authors to get that workaround code to be able to allow you to update or sort of upload your books to IngramSpark, if and should there not be any future discounts, and there's probably unlikely to be for the foreseeable future anyway. So there you have the platform which you can actually utilize to upload your books with those 5 free discounts codes per month, which I would highly recommend. And I'm going to drop the link below, and if it's of interest to you, then definitely use the link to go through and create a subscription for yourself, and you can see how it goes for the first 12 months. But again, I've talked about this a lot. In your business as self-publishers, you need to start looking and investing back into your business, whether that be through different software platforms to speed things up, whether it's to help with book creation and systemizing things. These are all things which, at the end of the day, are a benefit to your business and scaling up. And so if it's $150 purchase for the benefit of over $2,500, if you are uploading books to IngramSpark, being it a low content or a high content books, then I definitely would suggest that you have a good look into it and see whether it's right for you. So that's, in summary, a great workaround. So yes, IngramSparks could be dead for the general public, and just being able to get them just off the web. But for those that are willing to put down a bit of money and invest back in your business, they're certainly not dead. In fact, this is a great opportunity to be able to move away from the pack. The pack will probably stop uploading a lot of books to IngramSpark, which means that if you continue to do so, you'll separate yourself and you can probably continue to make more money. So you need to consider that as well. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Make sure that if you want to find out more information about scaling your self-publishing business, to subscribe, give me the thumbs up and hit that notification bell. And remember to look at the link below in the description about Ally and if that's going to be right for you. And until the next video, I'll look forward to chatting with you then, and I'll see you later on.